In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Slack channel. Whether you're new to Slack or just joining a new team, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to go, how to find the right channel, and what to do when a channel is private. First, head to the Channels section in Slack. On desktop, this appears in the left sidebar where your conversations live. You'll see the word Channels along with the list you're already a part of. This is your starting point because every channel you can join will be discoverable from here if it's public to your workspace. Next, browse or search for the channel you want. If you already know the name, type it into the search field and look for the matching channel. If you're not sure what it's called, you can browse the available public channels to see what's relevant. Many teams use clear naming conventions like team, project, or help to make things easier. Browsing is great for discovering channels by topic, department, or project without needing an exact name. If you work in multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the correct one so your search returns the right results. When you find the channel, click the channel name to open it. This will bring up a preview where you can see details such as the channel description, purpose, and member count. Take a second to confirm that it's the conversation you're looking for. This helps you avoid joining a similarly named channel by mistake. Now, click Join Channel. As soon as you do, the channel will be added to your list and you'll start seeing new messages as they come in. From here, you can read the channel's description, check pinned messages, and review recent conversations to get up to speed before posting. If you're on mobile, the button may simply say Join, but it works the same way. A quick note about private channels. They aren't searchable or visible in the browse list. To join one, you must be invited by an existing member. If you need access, ask a teammate who's already in the channel or reach out to your manager or workspace admin to request an invitation. Once you're invited, the channel will appear in your list automatically and you'll be able to participate like any other member. That's it. Go to the Channels section, browse or search, click the channel name, and click Join Channel. With that, you're ready to jump into the right conversations and stay connected with your team.